Hey guys, it's Connor here, and today I'll be doing Futwiz pack opening. And that's just what happened. I'm kind of clicking on the link already, and I got a man in the match card. Yeah, so that's. Yep. Alright, so let's start it off. This is actually my first pack. And we're gonna get Negredo. He's got an inform this week. Also, let David Lloyd, Shabate, and Droid. It's an alright pack. Yeah, this Mandzukic, who's in the team of the season this year. 88 heading. Man, I want him on my team. He's not doesn't have great like dribbling and all that. I'll just put him in for his heading. And we get Song. Well, I heard that might be moving. Yeah, I heard that he might be moving. Sanchez or all that, let's say. He's back. Don't really want. Come on. And we get Casillas. Not sure if he's had an inform this year. No, he hasn't. And yeah, Schneider and Sturridge as well. Only the age rate Sturridge, so it's not good. Practically in this, you practically get almost you can get like an inform every pack, and you also get like a good player every pack. You don't get like consumables like contracts and fitness cards. You just get players. It's like a player pack practically. And sometimes you get 10 players, sometimes you only get 9. That's I got 10. I got Subotic, Gerard, Muriel, and Cole. And then we get John Terry. He's got like 42 pace. Okay, go on. I'm over that. Carvajal. We get, come on, PK. Sutton. Gerard. Bashkowski, yeah, Lichtenstein. Fully play center. No, we have a few packs now. And Casilla, the goalkeeper. Next, Rodriguez. He's had like 5 informs this year. It's crazy. Wrong one. Don't worry. Got Martinez in the team this season. Cabaye. Zabaleta. And we get Zeko. Was it Zeko? Yeah, it's Zeko's. Maybe Zeko got the inform. Yeah, it might have been Zeko that got. Yeah, Zeko got the inform. Gerard as well. Yeah, I'm noticing so many people that have like got an inform or are in team of the season. Not getting any. Come on. And no, we get take your time. Akinfev. Jeez. Akinfev. Oh, Lucas. And Defoe. And Nasri. That's a lot better pack than I thought it'd be. I don't even know who this Akinfev is. Who are you, buddy? Hey, I got that guy just before, but because he's made in the match card. Valencia. Don't want it. Don't really want this pack. That's a bad pack. Just not even gonna look at it. Boateng. That's all. Boateng. Valencia's not even that good. Balotelli. 84 rated. Could be 85. We get Tweedy and Oscar. That's a Tweedy, Balotelli, Oscar. Good pack. I don't know if you want me to put this into like a FIFA forehead team and see how good I can get it to. This is my second to last pack. That's a decent one. Tony Cruz is in the team this season. Gundogan, Martinez, Yoshi. Only 3 non-rare players in that one. He's a good pack. I'd be happy with that in life. Come on. And we get, for the last pack, Martinho. That's pretty bad. 83 Raiders, I got Negredo, Adebayor, Ronaldinho. Then I got 54 packs. 54 packs. Yeah, hey, thanks for watching my first Futwiz pack. Let me know if you want me to put this in a FIFA 14 team. And yeah, thank you for watching.